Hello everybody. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can copy math equations from ChatGPT to your Google Docs document. So if you tried something like basically copying the equation and then pasting it into the Google Docs, you can see that it's going to show you this broken text and it's not formatted, so this is not what we want. There is actually a way how you can copy it as it is from ChatGPT, but we have to use extension for this. So you want to search for Chrome Web Store. You can search this from any browser you have and then simply open it. In the search bar, you want to type ChatGPT to Google Docs. Okay, and then we have to press enter. And you have many different options you can use. So I will go with this first option, convert ChatGPT to Google Doc, Word or PDF. I'm gonna just click on it. You can see it has over 10,000 users. And then we can click on add to Chrome, add extension. Now it's going to add this extension to our browser. We can close this. We can go back to ChatGPT. I'm gonna refresh the page. This is important. And here you can see the options. So you have Google Docs, you can export this, you can export it to Word or PDF. If you don't see the Google Docs icon right away, you can click on this gear icon to open this drop down and you can choose export buttons. So make sure to select Google Docs if you want to see Google Docs. All right, so if you don't have this selected, you are not going to be able to do that. So make sure the Google Docs is selected. Then we can close this. I'm going to click on Google Docs. Now it's formatting our content. It's going to redirect you to this sign in page where you have to sign in with your account which you are connected to Google Drive and your Google Docs. Then click on continue. You want to allow access, continue. Now it's going to create our Google Doc. And here we go, this is it. So you can see all of the equations. You can, for example, remove this text if you want. You can move this. One thing, if you want to remove those questions, because this is the question I asked ChatGPT, and it's also over here, we have to go back to ChatGPT, this gear icon, and you just want to select this entire conversation downloads. If you select this, and then you're gonna click on Google Docs again, it's going to again create a new document, but you can't see the questions you asked as in the first document, as you can see. And this is all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.